Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply promo code in Singapore Airlines. You can easily apply promo codes in Singapore Airlines so that you can get discount offers and other offers while purchasing your flight tickets. To apply promo codes in Singapore Airlines, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.singaporeair.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Singapore Airlines. Now here, you need to first log into your account so that you can apply promo code. After logging in, click on the profile icon at top right section. Then click on book flight option. After that, here you can see the book flight box. Now, here you need to first choose your location from where you want to travel by clicking on the given box. Then enter the location. Then you can enter the location to which you want to reach by clicking on the to box. Now, here you need to select your departure date and your return date. After that, you need to select the class of flight that you want to travel through. With that, here you need to select the number of passengers that are flying. After doing so, you can click on the option of apply promo code at top. Then here you need to enter the promo code that you have got for a discount, upgrade or any other offer. After doing so, click on apply option. After your promo code is applied, now you can go through the process of searching flight. After searching flights, click on the flight that is suitable for you. This is how we can apply promo code in Singapore Airlines. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.